This PKM received Pictory rails that allow us to install anything we want on this weapon. Any scopes, any optics, anything, manually on battlefield without any additional instruments. And by the way, this weapon's got Russia's main laser marker. It's called Burst. It can be used on any machine guns, even on 50 BMG submachine guns. But the main feature of this PKM is its suppressor that makes a machine gun sound like a 9mm subsonic round. So let's bring it to a crash test and see how many 7.62x54 rounds this weapon with this suppressor can sustain in a row comparing to foreign weapons. We shot 680